Yeah, sorry, I'm saying. Okay, I was, and it was being an ass nugget. Right, let's open this one. Why? Alright, welcome to PC Building Simulator. Got this game today. I don't know if I can use a controller, and I can. Nice. Right, let's just... Okay, so I spared you the pain of me trying to learn what all this stuff is. And yeah, I'll tell you one thing, it was not a pleasant experience. So I played for a little bit and, just learnt how to do everything. And yeah, so I kind of know what I'm supposed to be doing. Like you get broken PCs and shizzle, and then you got to fix them, and then you get paid. Then you got to pay your bills, and then yeah, life's sad. So yeah, basically, and then you can build your own custom PCs if you want. So yeah, it's not bad. You know, it's a pretty fun game. I was playing it earlier. I might also be getting another game. I'll be doing for YouTube soon. Why the hell is it taking so long to load? Is it still loading? Just check the again. Still wrong. Yep, still no. Right then, so sorry for not uploading for a very long time. Surfing around. And I tried to upload a couple of videos, but you know how it is. YouTube screws me over. I'm giving up on Slime Rancher. I got sick of it. I'm annoyed by it. But at this point, it's it's pretty boring. Oh, well, would you look at that? As soon as I start recording, guess what shits itself? PCSimulator.exe. Are you serious? Whatever, you can get out of here. Right, let's try this again. Also got Counter-Strike Global Offense. Probably not gonna run on my laptop. Slow enough playing PC Building Simulator. You don't need to see that. Would you just launch that, please? Preparing to launch PC Building Simulator. She's not free. Select. We've done wonderful. Right. This would usually have music here, but I'm probably going to get copyrighted if I do. But hey, it doesn't really matter. I just turned it off because it was pretty annoying anyway. I've got to go to school tomorrow. Doesn't that sound like fun? So yeah, my last day of holidays. I'm not too excited about it. At least I get to hang out with my friends again. I'm really tired. So yes. Oh yeah, they the dodgy ones. Whoa. Whoa, 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 why are you lagging that hard? Which one should I do first? I think I'm gonna do this one. Holy it's laggy right now. Oh, what was this one? Upgrade to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Look, who's a dumbass and forgot to order the shizzle. And sticky. 456. Don't really want to spend 100. Do I really want to spend it on it? I do have. Alright, let's go back up. Let's just get 2 of those. $70. Alright, I gotta put this PC back. Whoa, fucking hell, it's laggy. I can hardly control myself. I think I'm just gonna unplug my controller. So guess what? Guess what just happened, guys? I've been talking to myself for the past 5 minutes. I've been talking to myself for the past 10 minutes. Oh, nice smart. So Bandicam shut itself and stopped recording at 5 minutes, even though it's supposed to stop recording at 10 minutes. Remove cable. What? Remove. Please remove the motor. Remove air. Thank you. Install CPU cooling. Wait, what? Fuck my life. I forgot it was 3 to 5 working days. Right, I'm just gonna. You want to pause it again? Email. The team group parts. Memory. This better be. Make one. Titan. Team group. Alright, good night. I'm going to sleep. I don't want to do this anymore. Guess what's gonna happen right now? I gotta pay my utility bill. Fuck. Of course it's happening as far away as it can. I'm gonna kill myself because I'm dead. Right, so this better have showed up. Yes. I'm getting myself so confused in this game, so this is the one that wants the north. Damn, this one looks nice. This PC is nice. I think you wanted more RAMs, right? Swear to God, if it says these aren't compatible. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? What? You thought. Team Group RAM stick. Sticks. Where is PC parts? No, I'm done with this. I'm just gonna go build my own. I'm just gonna go build my own custom one. How do I get out of this? How do I go back to the I go back to the main menu. Done. Done. I go back. Escape. Main menu. Yes. Rebuild. Let's quickly check if Bandicam's actually fucking recording. Also, I forgot to say, welcome to PC Building Simulator. Bandicam shat itself, and yeah, pretty much had a fantastic time. Life is a pain. It's just my empty shell. Just one thing. I want a better shell. Alright, let's see what kind of crap I can mess with. Install CPU and processors. Do I have to check one of these in first? I've never built my own before. I think I'm just going to go all the way to the bottom. Yeah, this one seems good. Motherboards. Let's go with the dopest one I can find. Yeah, you look good. Let's just pull these screws in. Oh, geez, took a lot of work just to put the motherboard in. But hey, it wouldn't it'd take a lot of work in reality to put the motherboard in as well. Do you think I should build my own PC? Actually, that's what I do for something special or something. CPU processors. I'm going to this one. Piping. What the fuck is piping? Is this lights? Don't know. Why won't it let me open it? Work on this PC. There we go. Install CPU processors. Close CPU shield. There we go. And that's, I'm guessing, memory. Wait, shit, what kind of one is this? The Gigabyte Aorus. Gigabyte Aorus. $8. Alright, I'm just gonna grab one of these. Can you pop in there? Jeez, man. Let's check if Bandicam hasn't shut itself yet. Hey, it hasn't. Alright, give me a sec. Just had to start my Bandicam recording again so it doesn't cut out on me. Now, custom water cooling. Yep, let's get one of these bad boys in. Got no fucking clue where it goes, but this is all the piping stuff. Damn, this is nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go make it like a shiny red PC. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Install parts, CPU and processors. Actually, fucking wanna. I need to put cooling in. Yep, you. Cables. Damn, that's looking nice. Install. Let's put. Did I forget to put thermal paste on? Guess he forgot to put cooling thermal paste on. Install CPU cooling. Guess who else is retarded? Cables. Install memories. Got to open a memory clips. So you know what? Install. Let's find a big 16 one. This thing's gonna have some serious kick-ass RAM. Don't know why, but it is. It's gonna load this thing up. It's gonna have 64 gigabytes of RAM. Cause you don't fucking own me. I think it's not like 64 gigabytes of RAM. Can you imagine that? Dude, nothing stopping this thing. Install. If you can hear stuff in the background, it's my mum watching TV. Gotta go to school tomorrow and I'm loving it. Yeah. Install graphics cards. Lightning red. I'm gonna go with this one. don't know if I'm building this right. I'm guessing that's where I put the drives. Somewhere in there. Install storage. Terrible. Cable. Power supplies. What's this? What is this? I'm just gonna chuck into this. Wherever I can find it. There you go. It's the PSU. Oh, that's the power unit. Oh. Ain't you stupid? Oh, hi. Hey, Mum. Yep, so this is making a video. It's all good. Anyway, so let's just, what else do we need? Case fan. Oh, okay. Easy buds, side panel. CPU processors. Motherboard. I don't know what else to use. Storage, no, I'm gonna put that in there. Pass. I actually think I have everything. Piping. Custom water cooling. Reservoirs. I think this is what you're supposed to do. Yeah, I'm just gonna YOLO and say what you're supposed to do. Then install CPU box. Oh, okay. Graphics cards, pipes. Red flexible pipe. Wait, what if I remove? Get back to piping. Well, where are you supposed to link this onto? Connectors. I'm confusion. Cool, let's go with that. Nice. Red. Yep, I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Radiators. Whatever. I think I'm just gonna install parts, PC parts, side panel, install case, side panel. Retail value 3000. PC status missing parts. Okay, so that's my first attempt. Let's keep it like that. Bust this open. Oh, there's no PC down there. Let's try this again. Okay, so back there was my first attempt. Now this is my second. Right, so let's install. Let's start from the bottom and go up. Case fans. Right, there we go. We got one there. And let's install another one here because it needs to be well ventilated. Right, back to this. It needs to be well ventilated so it can have a nice breathing room. Cables. Let's jump up to power supplies. Let's go with any cool one that I can find. Okay, I think I saw one good one that I'll take. On this side. Yeah. And then I finally figured out why it wasn't going in there. Took me a while, but I got there. So yeah, install. I'm gonna have to find it again. Okay, install PC parts. PSU mount. I'm gonna build my own PC one day. It's gonna be a good one. Doing more gaming and YouTube on it. Storage. 500 gigabytes, that's the best you can do. Weak. I think let's just go with the 4 terabyte one. I think I have to remove this back panel first. Oh, Danny, that smells bad. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna kill myself. That's far. I put another one of those in there. Oh my goodness. I'll give you a hint, mate. That's never ever gonna run out of power. Graphics cards. This one, I gotta find like a cool red one. So I don't like have a red PC. I want was 3 blades, so this will do. That one looks. Oh, can't fit that one. Let's try this. Can't fit that one. Guess I have to go with memory. I've got to check my motherboard. You know why it can't fit it, mate? There's no motherboard. Here's what you'll do. It's easy building PCs in reality. I reckon the PC is going to be awesome. Do you want this PC in real life? If so, you're most likely going to have to buy it yourself. Because I can't give this to you because God knows where you live and who knows who's watching this. I know, you could be some wrinkly old weirdo in the middle of nowhere. No offense if you are. Just if if you are, don't turn out to be like a black hat hacker or something and just find where I live in. Now, gotta remove this thing. One more thing I have to install. You know, just whatever. Okay, there you go. Situation already. Okay, got the graphics card in there. PCI card. Put that bad boy on it. Right. Install. Motherboards and CPU processors. Forgot. Oh, it's not like the last one. I'll be install CPU. Close CPU shield. Install CPU. Let's try custom water cooling this time. Reservoir. Install reservoir. Install. Why won't you fit in there? I gotta take this side panel off. Oh, front panel. Install. I'm gonna have to finish this soon. It's most likely gonna be a short video. And yeah, so it's PC Building Simulator, really good. It's a nice game. Back to parts, PC parts, tungsten filter, install front panel. Okay, that just sits on there like willy-nilly. Install custom water cooling, CPU blocks. Hahaha. Install pipes, connectors. Does anyone actually know what I'm doing? Okay, let's take that off. Can we take that off? Remove. Let's get that pipe off. Right, back to piping. Back. Okay, there we go. No route for flexible pipe. Undo. Okay. Right, I'm back. But what the fuck? Okay, there we go. I think I have to go from here to there. No route for flexible pipe. Back. Remove. Piping. Okay, you're in there. That is fine. Why won't you connect? And then you got to connect to that. There we have it. Then install coolant. Regular coolant. CPU and processors. Already have that all in. I think all I have to do is put this side panel back on. We should be good. What else could be missing? I've done everything. Install. Got that in there. What else has to be done? Gotcha, bitch. Alright, once I've booted this up, let's off and go previews. Back to your time because you shouldn't be wasting your. I'm not going to say that. Install tools and software, USB drive, fit USB drive, cables. Ready for this to be the most beastly thing you've ever seen. But you haven't connected something. Okay. Let's use the computer. Power. Wait, it's not right. What? I've got. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna leave this here. I'm done with this. Escape. Preview options. Auto connect. Quick cable. Alright, exit. Main menu. There we have it. Alright. Thank you. And good night.